Class 8 Computer Lesson number 3 Advanced Topics in MS Access. Introduction of MS Access 2007. A database is collection of information that's related. Access allows you to manage your information in one database file. Within Access there are four major areas. First, tables. Second, queries. Third, forms, and fourth one is reports. Tables store your data in your database. Queries ask questions about information stored in your tables. Forms allow you to view data stored in your tables. Reports allow you to print data based on queries / tables that you have created. First, everyone open your laptop and open page MS Access 2007. Okay. First, everyone create a file. Okay. Creating a database. First, start Access. Second, select blank database. Third, in the file name field enter a name for the database. Fourth, click create. Microsoft Access automatically creates a new table in the database called table 1. This is a temporary name until the table is saved. Understanding the views. There are two basic views when you work in a table: design and data sheet view. Design view is used to set the data types, insert or delete fields, and set the primary key. Data sheet view is used to enter the data for the records. By default, Access places you in data sheet view. To switch to design view, first click the view button on the home ribbon. Second, type a name for the table. Third, click OK. Before proceeding, it is important to understand common MS Access type explained in the table below. To enter fields in a table, first type a name for the first field in the table. Press enter. Third, select a data types. Fourth, press enter. Fifth, type a description for the field. 6. Press enter. Continue this until all necessary fields have been entered into the table. The order that you enter the field names is the order the fields will appear in the table and on a form. Queries. You use queries to view, change, and analyze data in the different ways. You can also use them as a sources of records for forms and reports. Creating query. There are two different methods available in MS Access to create query. For the data contained in a table / tables, these are query wizard method, query design method. First one, query wizard method. In this method, you are guided through a series of dialog box of create a query. To create a query using query wizard method, follow the given steps. First, click the create tab. Second, in queries groups, click query wizard. A dialog box open. Third, click on the simple query wizard. Fourth, press OK in the above screen. On doing so, a dialog box of simple queries wizard appear on the screen. Fifth one, now click on select the fields to retrieve. However, pressing selects all these fields of the parent table as the fields to select. This is helpful if we need to retrieve almost all the fields. Then we have to deselect some fields one by one from the right side. 6. After selecting the field in the step 5, click on next button. 7th. Now you are taken to a screen where you can put in title for the query. 8th one. Finally click on the finish for the query to show up. The query title will show up as the name of the table where the query shows up. Second, to create a query design. First, click the Create tab on the ribbon. Second, click Query Design icon. Third, double-click Create Query in Design View. Fourth, select the table that you would like to base your query on. Fifth, click Add. Sixth, close the Show Table window. The tables will now be displayed in the upper part of the query design screen by the boxes containing the tables field. 7. Double click on the field name in the field list window which you would like to include in the query. You read this design query from the book. Okay. Forms. Forms are used to check each record of a given table one by one. It helps people to familiar with access to deal with the data in the tables. There are 4 different methods of create form. These are use of form command in the ribbon. Second, use of form wizard. Third, use of split form. Fourth, use of data sheet. Use of form command. First, select a table for which you want to create form. Second, click on the Create tab. Third, from Forms group, click on Form command. On doing so, that table will give forms. The numbers of the forms will be the numbers of rows in the table. Forms are represented by the following icon. The form command of the Create tab is shown by the form of the table created in the above way can be formed also in various way. On creating form, 3 new tabs open. They are collectivity known as Form Layout Tools. In the Design tab, you may change the theme, color and font of the form. Logo, title and date and timing can be set from the header and footer. Group of Design tab. In the Format tab, you may change around font size or color of the matter written in the form. Use of split form. Step to use split form are the follows. First, click on Create tab on ribbon. Second, now from Forms group, click on More Forms. A drop down list appear. Now from the list, click on Split Form. MS Access create the form in the upper half of the window and the display the data sheet view in the bottom half. The two views are spread by a bar. The bar can be moved up and down to resize the lower windows. Using the vertical scroll bar, the upper window can be seen up or down. Use the form layout tools to make change to the split form. Use of form wizard. Steps to use form wizard are as follows. First one, select form wizard from forms groups of create tab. On doing so, the following screen is displayed. Second, from the above dialog box that open up, select the file name from the fields given on the left side of the dialog box. The chosen fields will show up in the form. Now click on the next button. On doing so, following dialog box appear on the screen. A. Column. Second, tabular. Third, datasheet. Fourth, justified. Fourth, select any one of the layout for your forms. Select tabular. Fifth, now click on the next button. On doing so, you will find the following dialog box. 6. Click on the finish button. The following kind of forms appear on screen. Reports. Reports are the ways to produce the data stored in database and tables in a printed form. We can generate the reports in two ways in MS Access. First, use of reports command. Second, use of report wizard. Use of report commands. First, in the create tab, go to reports group and click on report command. Second, a report screen will open up. Along with that, 4 new tabs will open under the heading Reports Layout Tools. The new tabs are Design, Arrange, Format and Page Setup. Third, in the Design tab, we may change the view of the reports in the Views group. We may set them color, theme, color and font. Is the themes group. There are many other options under the Design tab. Fourth, in the Format tab, you may choose the particular field's name or selected all fields and change around the text formatting of the fields. You may also set a background image to the report. Fifth, in the Page Setup, the tab we may see various commands. We may set margin to the page containing the report. Under the page layout group, we may set portal or landscape view to the report. Below is the example of the report of a table. To check how to report will look like when printed, go to print previous in views group of Design tab. Use of report wizard. You may also generate report regarding a table or query using the report wizard. You will find report wizard in create tab, reports group, report wizard. This command helps you to generate various kind of reports from a table or query. The report wizard will take you through the various steps leading to report generation and will give you options on what kind of report you want. The following steps will lead you through the report wizard. First, click on report wizard. A report wizard dialog box opens. Second, here select the field of the table or query that you want to retain in the report. Third, after selecting the desired field for the report, click on the next button. Fourth, here this dialog box set the shooting order of the recorded for the report. Note, you may always select back button and get to the previous screen. Fifth, click on the next button on the previous screen. It will take you to a dialog box where you may select the layout to the report. 6. In the above dialog box, select the layout and orientation for the report. 7. Click on next button. On doing so, the last screen on generate the report by report wizard appear. Last screen looks like. 8th, now click on the finish button to finalize the report creation. Printing of report. We may print the report that we get as long as the printer is installed in the computer system. We may see the print command is print preview. Tap clicking on print shows the following window. Pressing OK is above. Print that report. Okay, I think understand what is the means of MS Access. Everyone make a one page and put in some details and use uh, all options, okay, from the Access software, okay. If any confusion, any doubt, you message me in my personal WhatsApp, okay. Okay, Allah Hafiz, Assalamu alaikum, bye bye.